Want a Gemini man to chase you? These guys are charming, adventurous, and full of surprises, but they don't fall for just anyone. If you want to capture his attention and have him running after you, you need to tap into what truly excites him. In today's video, I'm revealing 14 simple yet powerful ways to make a Gemini man hooked on you. From playful flirting to keeping him on his toes, I'll show you exactly how to spark his interest and keep him chasing you. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more astrology insights, and tap the bell icon so you never miss a video. Now, let's unlock the secrets to making a Gemini man obsessed with you. If you want a Gemini man to chase you, the first thing you need to do is keep him entertained. These men are ruled by Mercury, the planet of communication and intellect, which means they crave excitement, variety, and mental stimulation. Let's break down the key ways to spark his interest and keep him coming back for more. Be spontaneous and playful. The quickest way to lose a Gemini man's attention? Being predictable. These guys thrive on excitement, so keep things fresh and fun. Surprise him with spontaneous date ideas, unexpected texts, or playful challenges. Whether it's suggesting a last-minute road trip or sending him a funny meme, keeping him on his toes will make him eager to see what you'll do next. Engage in witty conversation. A Gemini man lives for an engaging conversation. If you want to intrigue him, don't just nod and agree. Challenge him, ask thought-provoking questions, and match his quick wit. Talk about interesting topics, share unusual facts, and even playfully debate with him. He's naturally curious, so if you can keep up with his mental gymnastics, he'll be drawn to you like a magnet. Be social and outgoing. Gemini men are social butterflies. They love being around people, meeting new friends, and exploring different social circles. If you want to keep up with him, show that you enjoy a good party, networking event, or casual get-together. Be confident, chatty, and open to meeting new people. If he sees that you can seamlessly blend into his social life, he'll be even more intrigued by you. Keep him guessing. A little mystery goes a long way with a Gemini. If you lay all your cards on the table too soon, he might lose interest. Instead, keep a bit of intrigue. Let him wonder about you. Share things gradually, leave some stories unfinished, and make him work to figure you out. A Gemini loves a good puzzle, so make yourself the most exciting one he's ever tried to solve. Showcase your versatility. Gemini men love people who are dynamic and adaptable. Show him that you're not stuck in a routine. Explore new hobbies, switch up your style, or be open to different experiences. One day, you're into hiking. The next, you're experimenting with a new recipe or learning a language. If he sees that you have layers to your personality, he'll be hooked and eager to uncover every side of you. By mastering these 5 traits, you'll naturally draw a Gemini man in and make him chase you. But we're just getting started. Next, we'll dive into how to spark his emotional and romantic interest. Now that you've captured a Gemini man's mind, it's time to spark his heart. These guys may not be the most emotional sign of the Zodiac, but they do crave deep connections, just in their own unique way. The key is to keep things light, fun, and full of excitement while subtly building that emotional bond. Let's dive into 5 more ways to make him chase you. Give him freedom. If you want a Gemini man to chase you, the worst thing you can do is smother him. These men need their independence. They love their space, their social circles, and their solo adventures. Instead of constantly checking in or demanding his attention, let him come to you. The less pressure he feels, the more he'll want to be around you. Show him that you have your own exciting life, and he'll naturally want to be a part of it. Flirt with confidence. Gemini men love the thrill of the chase, and flirting is one of their favorite games. If you want to keep his attention, embrace playful banter, tease him lightly, and keep things exciting. Challenge him with a witty comeback, flash a confident smile, or jokingly make him work for your attention. He's drawn to people who exude charm and confidence, so don't be afraid to take the lead in flirting. Match his energy. A Gemini man is like a whirlwind. One day, he's planning an impromptu trip, and the next, he's deep into a new book or hobby. To keep him chasing you, show that you can keep up with his fast-paced, ever-changing energy. Be open to spontaneous plans, try new experiences, and match his enthusiasm for life. If he sees that you're someone who embraces adventure rather than resists it, he'll find you irresistible. Be a great listener. While Geminis are known for their talkative nature, they also crave someone who truly listens. They have a million thoughts running through their minds, and if you can show genuine interest in their ideas, passions, and random tangents, they'll love talking to you. Ask thought-provoking questions, engage in their stories, and show excitement when they share something new. A Gemini man will always chase after someone who makes him feel heard and understood. Be playful with jealousy. A little friendly competition never hurt anyone, and for a Gemini, it can actually ignite their interest. Now, this doesn't mean playing mind games or being manipulative, but a subtle hint that others find you attractive can make him take notice. Maybe you casually mention that someone flirted with you at the cafe or jokingly tease him about having competition. When done playfully, this can trigger his need to step up his game and make sure he is the one winning your attention. Mastering these steps will not only keep a Gemini man intrigued, but also make him feel like he needs to chase after you. But we're not done yet. Up next, we'll talk about the final keys to keeping him hooked for the long run. By now, you've got a Gemini man interested, but how do you keep him chasing you long-term? These last few steps will ensure that his attraction doesn't fade and that he sees you as someone he can't let go of. Let's dive in. Be unpredictable in a good way. If there's one thing a Gemini man hates, it's monotony. To keep his interest peaked, shake things up. Surprise him with an unexpected date idea. Introduce him to a new hobby, or switch up your look from time to time. One day, plan a fun outing. The next, suggest a cozy night debating conspiracy theories. Keep your energy dynamic, and he'll always be excited to see what's next with you. Don't be too available. The more easily accessible you are, the less thrilling the chase becomes. Gemini men love a little bit of a challenge, so don't always be at his beck and call. Keep yourself busy, focus on your passions, and let him reach out to you. If he realizes that he has to work for your time and attention, he'll see you as someone valuable, someone worth chasing. Share his interests. Gemini men are deeply passionate about their hobbies, whether it's music, books, travel, or something completely offbeat. If he's obsessed with a new podcast or raving about a book he just read, show genuine interest. Engage in discussions, ask him about his latest obsession, or even introduce him to your interests. When he sees that you're intellectually curious and open to new experiences, he'll feel a unique bond with you. Let him chase you, and finally, the golden rule. Let him do the chasing. Be engaging, be fun, but always remain slightly out of reach. Make him work for your time, attention, and affection. Gemini men love the thrill of pursuit, so when you become the exciting mystery he can't quite solve, he'll keep coming back for more. And there you have it, 14 simple yet powerful ways to get a Gemini man to chase you. If you follow these steps, you won't just capture his attention. You'll keep him hooked. From keeping things spontaneous and engaging his mind to giving him space and letting him do the pursuing, these tips will help you become the exciting mystery he can't resist. Remember, Geminis love a challenge, so stay playful, unpredictable, and just out of reach enough to keep him wanting more. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of these tips do you think works best for a Gemini man? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you love this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on more astrology insights.